Hello students, welcome all of you to study at home. Today we will discuss articles part 2. Articles can be divided into two groups, indefinite and definite. We have discussed indefinite articles in the previous video. In this video we will discuss definite article. Use of the definite articles. The definite articles the is used. There are some rules how to use article the. Rule 1. When we talk about a particular person or thing or one already referred to, that is when it is clear from the context which one we mean as. The book you want is out of print. Here, book is a noun and we use article the here before the noun. Why? Because the meaning of the is here that. Because now question arises which book we are talking. It means the one you want. The one you want. It means the book is here particular book. So we use here article the. Let's go to the park. Noun is here park and we use article the here. Why? Because the park means the park in this town. It is a particular park. So we use here article the. The girl cried. Girl is a noun here and the article is used because the girls means is equal to already talk about. It means that girl. We know the girl, it is a particular girl, so we use here article the. Rule 2. When a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class. The cow is a useful animal. Here article the is used before the noun cow because here the cow is not a single animal but we are talking about the cow class. The whole class we are talking about. So we can say that cow is a useful animal. It means that all the cows are useful animals. We can say also cows are useful animal, then there is no need of the article the here. The horse is a strong animal. Horse is here noun and article the is used. Here is the same thing. The horse represent here the horse as a class, the whole class you can say, and the horse is a strong animal. It means it is the quality of the horse, not only one horse but all the horse. The cat loves comfort. It is a habit of the cats. It is a habitual habit. All the person knows, and the cat here represents the whole class. The whole class means all cats, you can say. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers. Rose is here noun and article the is used because we are showing the rose here as a class. It is the qualities. If we hear the rose, it means rose fragrance is good. Not only one rose, we are talking about the rose class. The two nouns, man and woman, can be used in a general sense without either articles. Man is the only animal that uses fire. Here we are using the man in a general sense. So no need of the article here the. Woman is a man's mate. It means we are not talking about the particular woman here, we are talking about the whole class. So we don't use here article the. But in the present day English, a man and a woman But in present day English, a man and a woman, or men and women are more usual. A woman is a more sensitive than a man. Here we use article a, not a the, and here use also a. It means it is in a general way. Rule number 3. Before some proper nouns, these kind of place names: ocean and seas. Pacific, we use here article the. Black Sea, we use article also the. Ganga is a name of river. Yamuna, name of river. Kaveri and Godavari, all are names of river. So we use here article the before the name of rivers. Canals and desert also we use here, and we use here article the before the canals and desert. Group of island as the West Indies, we use article here the. Mountain range, Himalayas, we use here article the. A very few name of countries which include words like republic and kingdoms, the Irish Republic and United Kingdom, the USA, we use here article the USA, the United Kingdom, the Irish Republic. Rule number 4. Before the name of books, buildings, unique things, we use article the before the holy books. Look here, the Vedas, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Purans, the Guru Granth Sahib, the Bible, the Quran, etc. But we can say Valmiki's Ramayana, then there is no need of the article the. Valmiki's Ramayana is enough. Historical building, before the name of historical building, we use article the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, we use here article the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. Unique things as sun, sky, earth, ocean, we use here article the before the nouns, the sun, the sky, the earth, the ocean. Rule number 5, with superlative degree. They are the 3 degree in English: positive, comparative and superlative. We use article the before the superlative degree as the darkest. It is the superlative degree. We use here article the clouds. The darkest clouds has a silver lining. Gurukul Kangri Vidyalaya is the best education center in India. Best is here superlative degree. There are 3 degree: positive, comparative and superlative. Good, better, best. Then before the superlative degree we use article the. Rule number 6, with ordinal we use article the. He was the first man to arrive. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, these are called ordinal. So we use here article the before the first. Like this, the 8th chapter of the book is very long. Which chapter? 8th chapter. It is also ordinal, so we use article the here. Before, musical instrument. He can play the flute. Flute is a musical instrument, so we use article the before the noun. Before an adjective when the noun is understood. The poor, the rich, the English. There are 3 nouns here: poor, rich, English, and these are used as a adjective. These are adjective, but we use these adjective as a noun. So we use here article the. The poor, it means the poor person. The rich, it means the rich person. The English, it means the rich. The English, it means the English person. In the rule 9. before a noun with emphasis to give the force of a superlative. The verb is the word. It means the chief word in a sentence. Verb is a chief word. So to emphasize the verb, we use article the before the word here. Number 10, as an adverb with comparative. The more, the merrier. It means by how much more, by so much, the merrier. The more they get, the more they want. It is also the same. The article the is explained in this video. In the next video, I will discuss omission of the article. Thank you for watching.